Right now, our sentiment score for finance is sitting at plus 0.27, with momentum at plus 0.53, a notable uptick compared to the historical baseline. This isn't just noise, it suggests a shift in market psychology that's worth your attention. With 19 semantic clusters identified, you can break down this sentiment into actionable insights. Imagine leveraging this data to enhance your predictive models or to fine-tune your trading algorithms. For example, you could analyze how this positive sentiment correlates with price movements in specific sectors, giving you a sharper edge in decision-making. Our API delivers these insights in a structured format, allowing you to integrate them seamlessly into your workflow. To dive deeper, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's make sense of this data together.